Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you will connect your Google Sheet account with N10 by using client ID and client secret. So even if you are a complete beginner, you are going to understand it very easily. So whenever we click on create new credentials for Google Sheets, it asks for client ID and client secret. So in this video I'm going to connect this Google Sheet with my N10. So the first step you have to do is go to Google Cloud Console. I will also give this link in the description. After going to Google Cloud Console, you have to create a new project if you have not created. Click on new project and name your project. For example, I am going to name it N10 Google Sheets 2 and click on create. It will start creating your project. So after the project is created, click on select project and your project will be selected here and on Google Sheets 2. After creating the project, go to APIs and services and you have to enable two APIs. One Google Drive API and the second one Google Sheets API. If you have not enabled, search for Google Sheets API. So you can see, click on enable and Google Sheets API will be enabled. So after the Google Sheets API is enabled, search for Google Drive API. And click on enable and enable it. So after these two APIs are enabled, go back to Google Cloud and click on this navigation menu and come here in APIs and services. Click on OAuth consent screen if you are creating this for first time and configure your OAuth. Get started, click on get started and create a name. For example, I am going to name it N10 tutorial 2 and the email will be this. Next, the audience will be external. Next, an email address again. Next, and finish it. After this app is created, go to here in audience and make sure that you have published your app. Push to production, confirm, and your app will be published. So after you have created and published the app, again go to navigation menu and in APIs and services, now you will create your credentials. Click on credentials. Create credentials. Now you have to create OAuth client ID, not API key. You have to create OAuth client ID credentials. Application type will be a web application. And in authorized redirect URL, you have to paste your N10 redirect URL. Just copy this and paste here. And click on create. So after creating this, there will be client ID and client secret. You have to just copy client ID and paste in the section of client ID and client secret. Also paste this and click on save. So after pasting client ID and client secret, it will ask you to sign in with Google. You have to click on sign in with Google and sign in with that account on which you have created credentials before. For example, I have created credentials on this account, so I will connect this account. I will sign in with this account. After this, you have to go click on advanced and go to hostinger.cloud. Select all and continue. And your connection will be successfully created with Anneter. So if I will go, you can see that account connected. After this, I can see my Google Sheets. So you can see that it's my spreadsheet, and here the sheet inside it, Anneter tutorial. Thank you guys.